Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fabulous day today. If you are new, hello and welcome. My name is Missy. Also, if you are new, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button down below before you leave. It would mean so much to me to have you as part of my YouTube family. As for today, it is another What's for Dinner. These are like your favorite videos. You guys love these videos, and I love filming them and editing them for you guys. So today we are obviously making 4 meals. That's what I do every week. And then I wanted to let you guys know this week I'm going to try and do something different. I want you guys to leave me your favorite easy recipes in the comments, and then I'm going to pick 4 and then I'm going to make them and I will film it for you guys and share your guys' recipes. So I thought that would be a little switch up on What's for Dinners and kind of just incorporate you guys in my What's for Dinner. So anyways, longest intro ever. So the first meal that we're making is what I like to call Missy Burgers. They're so easy and they're so delicious. So all I take is 2 pounds of hamburger meat, and then I take a sleeve of saltine crackers and I just crumble those up in there, and then I take lots and lots and lots of pepper. So that is going to depend on how much pepper you like. I take a lot of pepper, and if you guys didn't know that little trick, if you take your salt shaker and move it around on your pepper shaker, the pepper comes out so fast. So since I'm using a lot, that's the little trick that I like to use there. So then I just mix it all together, make patties, and cook them up, and that's literally it. They are so easy and just kind of like a little switch up on your plain hamburgers. So with this, I'm going to be making waffle fries in my air fryer. I absolutely love my air fryer. It is like the best thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. So we're just going to make waffle fries and burgers. So on our burgers, I just like to add these pickles, and then I just dry them off on a paper towel because I don't want all the juice to sog up the bun. And then just mustard, and that's it. And then I also always put pepper on my ketchup for my fries. Let me know down below, are you a pepper in your ketchup or a salt? Because I know some people do salt. So that was the first night's dinner, and it was, like I said, delicious. So on the next night, we are making smothered pork chops. This is the easiest smothered pork chop recipe ever. I have made it on my channel before, but always use a crock pot liner. I am obsessed with crock pot liners, you guys. After you're done cooking, you just lift it out and you're done. And I just wash my crock pot out with soap and water, and it's so easy. Nothing stuck on there, nothing. So anyways, I take a family pack of the thin pork chops, and then I take 2 cans of cream of potato soup, 2 cans of broccoli cheddar soup, and 2 cans of cream of celery soup, and then I put that on low while I'm at work. So then when I get home from work, it's all nice and done.
Baby, you are on my mind. All I think about, and I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop. Could you come closer to me? I just can't resist you. I'm giving up. I'm giving up. I am stuck in a dreaming. I can't help what I'm feeling. I don't know if I'm breathing when you are with me.
So with this, we just made French style green beans, and then I made homemade mashed potatoes, and then the gravy that's on the pork chops you can put over your mashed potatoes. So I love that. So good. So on this night, it was actually Valentine's Day. So, since I don't have a significant other anymore, I decided to make spaghetti with the kids. And so we just made some easy spaghetti. All I'm doing here is obviously boiling my noodles, and then I'm going to brown some hamburger meat. And in the hamburger meat, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder, and that just gives the meat a more flavor and not so bland. And then we use the Prego 3 cheese spaghetti sauce. I lost my train of thought there for a minute. So once the meat is done browning, I just drain the grease and then I add that sauce to the pan and then just warm it up and then it'll be good to go. So we served this with green beans and some garlic knot breadsticks and it was so delicious. So something else that we did on Valentine's was we made chocolate covered strawberries. So I wanted to show this to you guys. It's so easy. So you just lay down wax paper. And then the chocolate melt that I get is actually from Walmart, and it's usually always by like the strawberries or the fruit. And all you do, it's so easy, you guys. All you do is take this and you take the lid off and you microwave it. I do mine for 1 minute and then I stir it real good and then I put it back in the microwave for 30 seconds and then it should be good. Don't like put it in there for 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes at one time because you could burn it. And yes, I'm telling you that from experience. It was not good. So then all you do is you rinse your strawberries, of course, and then don't take the stems off because it's easier if you grab the stem and you dip it in the chocolate like that. And then you just place them on the wax paper and then you have nice chocolate covered strawberries, and they were so delicious and the kids just had a blast doing this. It was so much fun to do on Valentine's Day with the kids. So that is a little fun tip for you guys if you're looking for something fun to do with your kids. So for the last night, we are going to make barbecue pulled beef sandwiches. You can use a pork roast if you'd like, but I used a beef roast. So obviously I put in my crock pot liner and then I just got a chuck roast and then I added a large jar of barbecue sauce. And then I'm going to add some onion powder, garlic powder, and some Cavendars on top of that. And I do not stir my seasoning around in my barbecue sauce. I let it sit on top because when it is cooking throughout the day, when the barbecue sauce soaks into the meat, it's going to soak in those seasonings, and then when it's steaming, those seasonings are getting all nice and in the crock pot. So that is what I like to do. I find it gives it more flavor if I don't stir it around in the crock pot in the sauce. So all I'm going to do is leave that on. I'm actually going to put it on high while I'm at work because it was a large chuck roast and I was afraid that it wasn't going to cook all the way, but it totally did. So you could totally do low for 8 hours while you're at work and it would be totally fine. So on this side, I'm making homemade coleslaw, and I love this coleslaw. It's super easy. So all I'm going to do is take a bag of the tri-colored coleslaw. I know I say that so weird. Every time I make this, people comment on how I say that. So anyways, so I'm going to add 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, and then I add about 3 tablespoons of the spicy brown mustard, and then I'm going to stir that around, and then I'm going to add 2 capfuls of apple cider vinegar, and then I will add a tablespoon of sugar, and then you just stir that around, add some salt and pepper, and then I just stick that into the refrigerator until you're ready to eat your pulled pork sandwiches or pulled beef. Oh my gosh, you guys, can I talk today, please? So we just served this with waffle fries, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.